Ready to start? You want to immigrate to Canada? Increase your career, or study, or live and work in a better place? You can have our help. We'll teach you in English and in French. I'm Roger Spiner, and I'm the guy that's gonna teach you. Without further ado, let's jump in. We're going to have today an article, an example of pronunciation, some difficult words, and exercises. Have fun!
Some people in America have said that when they're growing up, they often have a talk with their parents or older family members about what to do if you are stopped by the police. What types of things have you been taught to do?
Now let's discuss the difficult words. Old, having lived or existed for many years. Taught, past simple and past participle of teach.
Don't make any sudden movements because they might think that you are like reaching for a gun or something. And just like to be totally complicit with them. But that's the thing that really got me about the recent killings is that they were doing everything the cops asked them to and being totally respectful, but they were still killed for no reason.
Now let's discuss the difficult words. Sudden, happening or done quickly and without warning. Complicit, involved in or knowing about a crime or some activity that is wrong. Kill, to cause someone or something to die.
Having to have these types of conversations, it's not fair, it's not. But I think that it's really important that all black kids, or every kid in America, should have these kinds of conversations because it's the reality of the world that we live in.
One time, when I was like 8, I think, I was attacked by a kid who threw me a rock at my head, and then I screamed at him, so he started crying. But then the people who were running at the place grabbed me and started yelling at me, telling me I did something to him and things like that. I've also been called the N-words on multiple occasions.
Scream. To cry or say something loudly and usually on a high note, especially because of strong emotions such as fear, excitement, or anger. Grab. To take hold of something or someone suddenly and roughly. Yell. To shout something or make a loud noise, usually when you are angry, in pain, or excited.
Kids would ask me why my skin was so dark. I remember coming home and asking my mom the same question because I didn't understand.
Let's discuss the difficult words. Kindergarten, the first year of school for children aged 5.
What can people do to help to make things more equal?
You can spread awareness. You can go to protests, sign petitions.
Now let's discuss the difficult words. Aware awareness, knowledge that something exists, or an understanding of a situation or subject at the present time based on information or experience. Petition, a document signed by a large number of people demanding or asking for some action from the government or another authority.
I think informing people and telling them this is a real issue that people are trying to fight every day, and to fix the law systems and make them more fair for people of color.
If things don't change, how do you see your life going as a young black person in America?
I will continue to fight until I see change. You cannot put a price on a human life. And if people continue to die for no reason, I will continue to fight until the changes. Everybody has a voice. You can make a difference. And we need everybody to speak out to make a change. Let's help the other people. It's easy. Let's like, share, subscribe, and comment. By doing this, YouTube will make this video available to your friends. It's simple. Now, our IELTS exercise. The article, speak out to make a change. Put the ideas in the order that you hear them. Now the answers. Advice for young black people about police. Talking to young people about the reality. The young man's experience of racism. The young woman's experiences of racism. What people can do for racial equality. The young man's ideas about the future. The article, speak out to make a change. Are the sentences true or false? The answers. 1. The young man has been taught that if the police stop you, you should stay still and do what they say. 2. The young man says people have died because they ignored the advice. False. 3. The young woman thinks people should talk to children about these issues. 4. The young man has experienced racism from children and adults. 5. The young woman says no one talked about her skin color until she was a teenager. False. 6. The young man suggests different ways for people to ask for change. 7. The young woman thinks people need to do what the law says. False. 8. The young man wants everybody to speak out about racism. True. Remember, you can reach us. See how in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.